Hi, good afternoon, guys. This is Chef Jay from Buddy V's McAllen, wanting to welcome you here. A little bit about myself. I've been in the industry for a handful of years, and it's my dream job. I'm married to my career. I love serving great food to great people, and I like to go out and mingle with you guys whenever I have the chance. My favorite dish, my go-to dish here is always the shrimp diavolo. It's just amazing. It's just the right amount of spice to it. It's got shrimp, it's got pasta, it's got a little bit of tomato acidity to it. It's just all around a great dish. One of my favorite things to eat and to always cook for you guys. Hope to see you guys here soon so I can cook that up for you guys. This is Chef Jay from Buddy V's McAllen, wanting to invite you to try my favorite dish, the shrimp diavolo. Just the right amount of spice to it. Can't wait to have you here.